Hey guys, I'll show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. So this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. What you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together quickly and effectively. In the first step, we need to just press Windows key plus R key together to open run. You can also right click on the start icon and click on run. Now type your %temp and hit enter. You'll get multiple files and folders here, so select all these files and folders together and simply click on delete icon. Once done, close this window, again open run. This time type in just temp and click on OK. Again you will get multiple files and folders here. Select all these files and delete them. Once done, close this window, then simply open run again. This time type your services.msc and hit OK. Now we need to find out the Windows search, so just scroll down. Here you will get it. Now right click on it, select properties. We need to set startup type as disabled. Click on apply and we need to stop the services, so click on stop and then click on OK. Again go for the sysmain. Also you can find out these services as superfetch and sysmain is same, so right click on it, go to its properties. We need to again set startup type as disabled and click on apply and then OK. Now close this window. Now go to command prompt, right click here, select run as administrator, select as. Now type all these commands carefully and hit enter to execute them. Type in gp update and hit enter. This will take few seconds to complete the process, and the computer policy update has completed successfully. Now we will move to the next command, that will be chkdsk space c colon space /f and hit enter. Now type y and hit enter and simply type exit to close the command prompt window. Now type your open run and type your msconfig. Go to services tab, check this box and select all these services and disable all, then click on apply and then OK. Now simply restart your system, and that's it guys, your problem will be solved for sure. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. That will be also a better way to fix this issue. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.